everyone. Welcome to News Moment English. I'm Shiny Day. Let's start today's news. Sitapur police arrested Priyanka Gandhi and as well as 10 other Congress workers on this Tuesday. Over 24 hours after keeping her at their local guest house, the Sitapur police on Tuesday arrested Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi and at least 10 others to prevent the commission of cognizable offences. Other than Priyanka Gandhi, those arrested included Congress leader Dipender Singh Huda, UP Congress State President Ajay Kumar Lalu and Party MLA Deepak Singh. The arrest had been made under Section 151 of the CRPC. Earlier in the day, Gandhi had put out a video message to PM Modi asking if he would also visit Lakhimpur Kheri to meet the protesting farmers. Gandhi has been in detention in Sitapur since Monday after trying to make her way to the district to meet the families of the victims of the violence. Meanwhile, Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel said he was stopped from leaving the airport in Lucknow, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting to attend a conference cum expo, despite telling the police he was not going to Lakhimpur Kheri. Baghel sat on a dharna at the airport after being disallowed to go to the Uttar Pradesh Congress office amid widespread protest over the Lakhimpur Kheri violence. He said, "I am being stopped from going out of Lucknow airport without any orders." On Sunday, 4 farmers were among 8 persons killed after a convoy of 3 SUVs, including one owned by Union Minister of State for Home Ajay Mishra, hit a group of farmers protesters, leading to a clash. A video of this incident was posted on Twitter on Monday, which is now viral. The BJP MP Varun Gandhi was among those who shared the video. On Monday, the police registered an FIR on charges of murder against Mishra's son Ashish, who was allegedly driving one of the vehicles. The state government announced Rs 45 lakh each for the families of the deceased. Further, a judicial committee headed by a senior judge will probe the incident.
Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes from class 8 to 10, class 11-12, Science, Arts, Commerce, Bengali and English, Graduation Honours and Program, Computer Science plus Application Economics, Sanskrit, Pol Science, Philosophy, BCom, and we also provided all types of competitive classes like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. Our contact number are 9932864067 and 8116183079.
In a 2-day meeting regarding salary settlement and bonus of sale bonus personnel, agreement could not be reached on salary settlement, but the bonus was settled. SAIL decided to pay a bonus of Rs 21,000 to the employees despite huge profit, while the trainees would be paid a bonus of Rs 19,000. This amount will reach the employees' account by October 9th. Last time a bonus of Rs 16,500 was paid. The workers were demanding at least 50,000 bonus this time. It is worth noting that there was no agreement in the NJCS core group meeting regarding the salary settlement pending for 57 months of SAIL employees. Screw is stuck on perks. Unions stick to 30% variable perks. At the same time, the management is suggesting a different formula regarding this. Asansol North Block Congress Committee's Minority Department organized a demonstration program in front of Asansol Municipal Corporation's office. Asansol North Block Congress Committee Minority Department organized a demonstration program in Asansol Municipal Corporation office and submitted the memorandum to the chairman Amarnath Chatterjee of Administrator Board. It was led by MD Sakir Imran Rizvi, MD Firoz Alam, Prashanjit Puitundi, MD Azad, MD Afzal Shomodipto Roy, and several others. Well, now let us hear what the leader says.
दिलाने की मांग पर आज कॉर्पोरेशन हम लोग आए हैं। आए हुए हमारे रियासती कांग्रेस के सेक्रेटरी जनाब प्रसन्नजीत पटंडी जी, हमारे साउथ ब्लॉक के प्रेसिडेंट सालम खान, हमारे संजीत राय, हमारे फिरोज खान, हमारे संजय घोष भाई, इमरान रिजवी, अफजल भाई, इमरान भाई, मोहम्मद आजाद और मोहम्मद फिरोज, आज जो हमारे रेल पार के आए हुए खातिन और दिलदार नगर से आए हुए, मैं तमाम लोगों को अपने कांग्रेस पार्टी की ओर से संग्रामी अभिनंदन पेश करता हूं। अफसोस इस बात का है दोस्तों कि आज हम लोग जो इस परिस्थिति में आए हैं, इसलिए कि बृहस्पति के दिन जो जुमरात के दिन पानी आया और इस तांडव से पूरा रेल पार और शहर आसनसोल का इलाका डूब गया, जिससे पूरा जानी और माली नुकसान हुआ। अफसोस इस बात का है दोस्तों कि जिस दिन ये घटना हुआ, यहाँ के बहुत सारे घरों में पानी डूब गया। हम लोगों ने डिमांड किया था कल्याणपुर हाउसिंग से लेकर घाघरबुड़ी मंदिर तक जो गरुई रिवर रेल पार से गुजरती है, इसको जल्द से जल्द साफ करना है और इसको गहराई और चौड़ाई के मांग पर पिछले 2 साल से हम लोग आंदोलन कर रहे हैं। हम लोग कॉर्पोरेशन में डिपुटेशन दिए, सीएम साहब के पास डिपुटेशन दिए, एसडीएम को डिपुटेशन दिए कि रेल पार का जो ये गरुई रिवर है, आज इस पर जो पानी भर जाता है, इसी की वजह कर ये इलाका डूब जाता है। अफसोस इस बात का है कि 3 तारीख को जब ममता दी अपने जीत का जश्न मना रहे थे और पूरे टीएमसी के लोग, पूरे वेस्ट बंगाल के टीएमसी के लीडर और टीएमसी के वर्कर जश्न में डूबे हुए थे, लेकिन उस समय हमारे कांग्रेस के कर्मी, हमारे कांग्रेस के लीडर उन औरतों के आंसू पोंछ रहे थे, उनके साथ खड़े थे। ये बड़ा अफसोस की बात है कि एक तरफ लोग जश्न मना रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारे महिलाएं, हमारे रेल पार के नौजवान, हमारे बुजुर्ग, उनका आंसू पोंछने वाला कोई नहीं था। उस दुख की घड़ी में हमारे कांग्रेस पार्टी जो है उनके साथ खड़े हुए और उन लोगों ने आश्वासन ही नहीं बल्कि जिस तरह से हुआ उस टिकट का मैनेजमेंट किया। अफसोस इस बात का है दोस्तों कि ये कार आखिर क्यों आया। ये सवाल पैदा होता है कि ये बारिश की पानी अक्सर क्यों होता है। 3 महीने के अंदर इस तरह का सैलाब से तांडव मचा, लेकिन जिस दिन घटना हुआ उसका दूसरा दिन आपदा मिनिस्टर वेस्ट बंगाल के जावेद अहमद खान साहब आते हैं और आसनसोल के ये रोड पर, आसनसोल के मार्केट के इलाके में दौरा करते हैं। अच्छी बात है कि आपने आसनसोल का मार्केट का दौरा किया, लेकिन और अच्छी बात होती अगर रेल पार के जिस तरह के घरों में पानी, दुकानों में पानी गया था, ये यहाँ वहाँ के काउंसिलर और ये मिनिस्टर साहब को चाहिए था कि भाई रेल पार का भी दौरा कराया जाए।
Like, share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 956383.
Let's have a look on our next news. The people of Raniganj Sikh Society has been seen at forefront in social work. The people of Raniganj Sikh Society are seen at the forefront of service work. An example of this is the Pali Singh, a reputed social worker of Raniganj Mangalpur, for the last 3 days due to the flood disaster. The supply of drinking water in Raniganj was stopped and the people were crying out for water. At this time, Punjabi, in his own 3 water tanks, by bringing water from outside with the help of Somen Banerjee in charge of the police, the people of each Pada Mohalla went and brought water from house to house. Pali Singh said that even in the era of global epidemic, his entire family has been ahead in helping people without worrying about their business for 18 consecutive months. By delivering drinking water from houses to house for 3 days, people have got a lot of peace in their mind. The mind is very happy. It is to be known that he is the owner of the prestigious Ludhiana Dhaba. His entire family remains ahead in service work.
हमारे विश्व में पंजाबी आदमी को सेवा का बहुत मौका मिलता है और हमने कोरोना काल में भी सब आदमी को हॉस्पिटल पहुंचाया और सामग्री बांटी और लंगर की सेवा की गई। अभी 3 दिन से हमारे रानीगंज क्षेत्र में पानी की बहुत कमी आई है, पाइपलाइन फट गए हैं। हमने घर घर जाके अपना टैंकरों से पानी की सेवा पहुंचाई है। हमारे रानीगंज के पंजाबी मोड़ के सुमेंद्र जी, पंजाबी मोड़ फाड़ी के बड़े बाबू ने बहुत सहयोग किया कि घर घर जाके पानी पहुंचाया। और हमारे रानीगंज के ज्योति सिंह और विक्की सिंह, हमारे लुधियाना ढाबा पाली रिंग, सब ने मिलजुल के बहुत सेवा की। सबसे ज़्यादा सहयोग पंजाबी मोड़ के बड़े बाबू सुमन बनर्जी ने दिया।
अच्छा, आप ये पश्चिम बंगाल किसान मोर्चा के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं?
हाँ, पश्चिम बंगाल किसान मोर्चा के साथ जुड़े हैं हम लोग 2 साल से। पूरे किसान हमारे भाई ये कोरोना काल में लगे हुए हैं और साथ में जुड़े हुए हैं। सब मिलके पूरी टीम ने बहुत जोर शोर से काम किया। हमारे किसान कंडोनेशन कमेटी के प्रधान तजिंदर सिंह बल के सहयोग से पूरी टीम लगी हुई है।
Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee Banpur and Asansol, the Nagrik Ekta March and Voice of Humanity submitted a deputation to SDM of Asansol regarding the after effect of Gulaf cyclone. They demanded proper sanitization in affected areas, supply of fresh drinking water, especially preference should be given to the affected persons who lost their documents in these floods.
का प्रॉपर पानी भी नहीं है। सर के ऊपर छत के छोड़ने के बाद घर पे खाना पकाने के लिए बर्तन तक नहीं है। जो गुलाब फ्लड्स की वजह से आसनसोल के विभिन्न इलाकों में, खासकर रेलपार, रामकिशन डांगा, बनपुर के पुरानिया तालाब, शास्त्री नगर, रहमत नगर, इन सब इलाकों में जो लोगों का भारी नुकसान हुआ है, उस नुकसान की भरपाई के लिए हम हमारे एसडीएम सर के पास अपना एक डेपुटेशन जमा देने आए हैं, जिसमें हमारी कुछ मांगे हैं कि जो अभी तक सैनिटाइजेशन का काम है, बारिश के बाद जो पानी के साथ जो कादा लोगों के घर में 3-3 फुट 4-4 फुट तक रह गया है, उसके सैनिटाइजेशन में आसनसोल म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन अपना पूरा सहयोग दे के जल्दी से जल्दी उसको साफ़ कराने का सहयोग दे। नहीं तो लोग पानी और भूख के सिवाय तो पानी और भूख के लिए तो मर ही रहे हैं। शायद इसके साथ साथ ये जो विभिन्न बीमारियां आज बरसात की वजह से आई हैं, उनकी वजह से भी उनकी जानें जा सकती हैं। तो हम गुजारिश करेंगे हमारे एसडीएम साहब के पास कि उनके पास प्रॉपर सैनिटाइजेशन, प्रॉपर खाना और जो भी ज़रूरत की चीज़ें हैं, जिनकी छतें नहीं रही हैं, उनके पास जो प्रॉपर सुविधाएं पहुंचनी चाहिए स्टेट या सेंट्रल सरकार की तरफ से, जो डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट एक्ट के तहत उनके तक पहुंचनी चाहिए, वो अभी तक नहीं पहुंची है। हम आसनसोल के नागरिक होने के नाते और गुरुद्वारा प्रबंधक कमेटी बनपुर
Want to be a doctor? Hold the hands of an expert. Coaching for medical need AIMS entrance examinations by D.K. Lal sir. Regular classes for class 11th, 12th and BSc. Contact number 9832824975.
Governor has accepted the proposal of Rs 109 crore by the state government for repair of damaged schools in various districts. Earlier, Vikash Bhavan had surveyed the schools damaged in lockdown and Amphan. Vikash Bhavan has sent a letter to the district rulers. The schools was closed for a long time of 2 years in Corona. Vikash Bhavan asked the district magistrates to send a list of how much would be spent on the repair of the school. The last date of submission was September 15th. The Vikash Bhavan has already received the list. Many school buildings in village have been damaged due to Amphan. Doors and windows of some schools have been broken due to the storm. Somewhere again there was cracks in the buildings. After the opening of the schools, the administration is trying to avoid any untoward situation. So, to find out how much it will cost to repair it, Vikash Bhavan had already given an update via Google form. This time, Vikash Bhavan took that update from the district magistrates, and in such a situation, the academicians feel that the possibility of opening the schools after the worship is becoming stronger. Against the increase in CNG prices in Asansol Jubilee petrol pump on Tuesday, the auto drivers under the leadership of INTTUC leader Raju Ahluwalia demonstrated fiercely at the pump. During this, Sanjay Vishwas, Rahul Prasad, Mohammad Nasiruddin and all the auto drivers including Sanjit Singh, Amarjit Das, Suresh Shah, Arun Shah protested fiercely. In this context, Raju Ahluwalia said that the policies of the centre are completely anti-people. The prices of petrol, diesel, cooking gas have done the work of making the general public cry. Now CNG prices have also followed the same path. The CNG prices increased by more than rupees 20 in a year. Unemployed youths used to somehow feed their families by driving autos. But this wild rise in CNG prices has posed an existential crisis in front of them.
Challenge 100% success guarantee or 100% money refund with court agreement. JEE and NEET coaching by Motion, the Durgapur Study Center. Contact us 9434 822 278 and 8900 100 080.
The annual bonus has been fixed for about 2,60,000 employees working in Coal India. The Puja bonus of coal workers is 72,500 rupees. It will be given before October 11th. A meeting of the Standardization Committee of Coal India Limited was held in Delhi to determine the amount of annual bonus received on the Durga Puja. On this meeting, the BCCL Director Personnel PVKR Mallikarjun Rao, NCL CMD PK Sinha, WCL Director Sanjay Kumar, SECL Director SM Chaudhuri, MCL Director Personnel Shatrendranath Kumar Gomsta, NCL Director Ramanaran Dubey, and Trade Union representatives Surendra Kumar Pandey, Nathulal Pandey, SK Pandey were also present there. Now, let's have a look on railway updates. 09435 Ahmedabad Asansol Special will leave Ahmedabad on every Thursday with effect from 27th of January till further advice to reach Asansol on the next day. 09436 Asansol Ahmedabad Special will leave Asansol on every Saturday with effect from 29th of January till further advice to reach Ahmedabad on the third day. The train will stop at Jashidi, Madhupur and Chittaranjan stations enrouted in both directions over Eastern Railway System. The train will have general second class, sleeper class and air conditioner accommodation. Under the leadership of Janab Danish Aziz, yesterday night in Paschim Bardhaman district, AIMIM team distributed food packets to the flood-affected peoples of Railpar.
लाइट जला हुआ नहीं है लाइट हो जाएगा मिल जाएगा भाईजान हो जाएगा हाँ ठीक है
The police of Purulia Shodor Police Station achieved a big success. The police of Purulia Shodor Police Station has got a big success in the interstate motorcycle theft. In this connection, 9 stolen motorcycles without the number plate and 1 open engine of the motorcycle were recovered by conducting a special operation. 2 brothers, Imtiaz Ansari and Mansoor Ansari, have been arrested in this case. They lived in Narayanpur village of Jaipur police station area of Purulia. According to the information, taking steps on the continuous reports of motorcycle theft, the police started surveillance in plain clothes. In this sequence, they got huge success. The arrested accused have their motorcycle repairing garage in Chasmore area of Jaipur police station. The stolen bike was recovered from there. The police was getting the news of bike theft for several days. After the police formed a special police committee and started surveillance in plain clothes at different places. It was a great success in that campaign. SMS of the moment. May the festive season brightens your day and night. May it adds color and make your life more bright. May it amplify, removes all worries from your life and gives you the strength to face every step. May it bless your life with lots of joy and health. May it further enrich you with lots of peace and wealth.
To all the viewers, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notifications.